Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, we discussed about the collection interface in collection framework. Up to this lecture, we discussed about what is collection framework, what is the need of collection framework, what are its advantages, and what are the interfaces implements in collection framework, what are the classes extends in collection framework. And in previous lecture, we discussed about the iterable interface in collection framework which is the super super interface in collection framework. Now in this video we discussed about the collection interface. Okay, so the collection interface is used to represent a group of individual objects. It's used to represent a group of individual objects, and the collection is the root interface. Collection is the root interface of collection framework, and it comes in a Java 2.1.2 versions. So हम लिखते हैं. ओके, हमने इटरेबल के बारे में पढ़ा. नाउ collection. Okay, collection is an interface which is located in java.util package. Collection is an interface which is located in java.util package. Then collection is a child interface of iterable interface. Collection is a child interface of collection child interface of iterable interface, sorry, iterable इंटरफेस. देखो यहाँ पे चेक करते हैं हम. कलेक्शन इंटरफेस इन जावा, यहाँ पे आप चेक कर सकते हैं. देखो, कलेक्शन एक इंटरफेस है जो कि जो कि चाइल्ड इंटरफेस है इटरेबल इंटरफेस का, और जो कि 1.2 वर्जन्स में आया है. देखो, तो अगेन लिखते हैं. देन collection is a parent interface of collection is a parent interface of list 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 set and queue interface. Then collection is used collection interface is used to represent to represent group of individual objects in a single entity. Okay, then collection interface is considered as a root interface in collection framework. Collection interface is a root interface in collection collection framework. Then collection interface is represent the group of individual objects by some methods. Means collection interface provides some methods to represent the group of objects. Okay, so collection framework collection framework is used collection interface represent group of objects represent represent group of objects by introducing some methods by introducing some methods by some methods which is sorry like like add method, then add all method add all method, then remove all method, remove remove all method remove all method, then is empty method is empty method, then size method, then contains method, then clear method. Okay, so uh, here let's see, these are the methods which is in collection interface, but this is not used in a mostly used, but this method which I discussed here, this is the mostly used methods in collection framework. Okay, etc etc, then collection interface is introduced. Okay, collection interface is introduced in Java 1.2 वर्जन. ओके, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो सिंस सॉरी क्या सिंस 1.2. देखो, तो कलेक्शन एक इंटरफेस है जो कि जावा डॉट यूटिल पैकेज से आता है. कलेक्शन एक चाइल्ड इंटरफेस है जो कि इटरेबल इंटरफेस का. कलेक्शन एक पेरेंट इंटरफेस है लिस्ट सेट और क्यू इंटरफेस का. कलेक्शन यूज किया जाता है बल्क ऑफ, अगर आपके पास बल्क ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हो तो उन्हें रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, बल्क ऑफ डाटा को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए कलेक्शन का यूज किया जाता है. देन कलेक्शन हमें कुछ कलेक्शन एक रूट इंटरफेस है कलेक्शन फ्रेमवर्क का. देन कलेक्शन फ्रेमवर्क हमें कुछ मेथड्स प्रोवाइड करता है ग्रुप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, जैसे कि ऐड मेथड्स. सो ऐड मेथड इज यू ऐड मेथड इज यूज टू ऐड द पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, then add all method is used to add all the objects. Okay, then remove method is used to remove the particular objects. Then remove all method is used to remove all the objects. Then is empty method is used to check is the objects is totally empty. If no objects is there, then the size of objects, okay, is empty, is not true, then size method is used to calculate the size of the objects. Then contain method is used this if this particular object is contains in this objects or not, in group of objects or not. Clear objects is used to clear all the objects. Okay, so these are the methods is provided by collection interface, and these all the methods is applicable to the all objects in collection framework. And then collection interface a 1.2 वर्जन में आया है. Okay, so this is all about the collection interface. Okay, if we want to represent this through the diagram, okay, so let's see the representation diagram representation here. Okay, let's see. This is your collection. Okay, collection जो कि चाइल्ड इंटरफेस है इटरेबल इंटरफेस का. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे इटरेबल, इटर इटरेबल. देन ए पेरेंट इंटरफेस है, कलेक्शन इंटरफेस ए पेरेंट इंटरफेस है. लिस्ट लिस्ट लिस्ट. ओके, ओके, हियर list, then set and queue. Okay, here set, then queue interface. Here this is the queue interface. This is queue interface. और एक कलेक्शन इंटरफेस हमें कुछ मेथड्स प्रोवाइड करता है, जैसे कि हमने अभी देखा ऐड, देन ऐड ऑल, देन remove, then remove all, then is empty, is empty method, then size method, then contains method, then clear method, then okay, I think yeah. So these are the methods which provides collection framework. Okay, and this is the child interface of iterable. Okay, so this is the simple representation of the collection interface, and this is easy to understand. Okay, we created this diagram by this theory. Okay, जो ये हमने पूरी theory लिखी है, इससे हिसाब से ही हमने डायग्राम बनाई है जो कि इजी है अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. ओके, और यहाँ पे हम ये लिख लेते हैं. सॉरी. और ये जो है ये आया था 1.2 वर्जन में. ओके, और ये इम्प्लीमेंट्स कर रहा है लिस्ट, सेट और क्यू इंटरफेसेस को. ओके, so in this video we all discussed about the collection interface in collection framework. So in next video we discussed about the list interface in collection framework. So thank you so much, see you soon in the next video.